के जो सीईओज हैं उनसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हमें अपनी लोकल पैदावार, जो लोकल लोग जो बना रहे हैं, लोकल जो बिजनेसमैन है, उसको हम इनकरेज करें ताकि वो इन चीज़ों के ऊपर आए। तो इंशाल्लाह ये चीज़ें हमारी कम से कम, हम ये साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी में तो बिल्कुल मुझे कोई शुबा नहीं है कि हम बिल्कुल सही रास्ते के ऊपर जो है वो चल रहे हैं हमारे। ब्रॉडशीट में जो भी मुझे पता है कि जो जज साहब ने जिन कुछ बड़े लोगों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई का जो दिया है, वो जब नाम सामने आएंगे तो आपको काफ़ी उस पर हैरत होगी। काफ़ी ब्रॉडशीट बड़ी कम्प्रिहेंसिव उन्होंने जो है वो इंक्वायरी की है, और काबीना उसको डिस्कस करेगी और उसके बाद फैसला करेगी उसको पब्लिक करने का। प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब की अभी तक की पॉलिसी यही है कि सारी रिपोर्ट्स पब्लिक की जाती हैं। सो मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये रिपोर्ट भी पब्लिक करेगी और मीडिया को अच्छा उसमें मवाद मिलेगा और आप लोगों के सामने ला सकेंगे कि ये पाकिस्तान में ये काम कैसे होता है। चाइनीज आ गए हैं। हाँ, अब आप अगर हम जो आ गए हैं लोग सारे।
So with your permission, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Pakistan Engineering Council, as advisor innovation, I welcome you all for this prestigious ceremony of signing of MOU between Shenzhen University, China and Pakistan Engineering Council for promoting innovation and entrepreneurship, and also for the One Belt, One Road, Intelligent Internet of Things collaboration. And in this regard, I would like to also mention here that this whole initiative is of Minister of Science and Technology and based on the vision of Engineer Javed Salim Qureshi, Chairman Pakistan Engineering Council. The aim is that Pakistan Engineering Council is on the verge of facilitating engineering industries with the aim of promoting export of engineering goods. Today's ceremony will be based on the signing of Chinese side on the Zoom, and on the Pakistani side, Pakistan Engineering Council will be signing here in the presence of His Excellency the Minister for Science and Technology. I would not like to refer the things to Umar Ghani as well as a remark from Chairman Pakistan Engineering Council.
Thank you, Brigadier Tariq. I think in the interest of saving time, the Chinese are waiting. So, Chairman Sahab, if you could please give your remarks and then we'll introduce the Chinese after that.
Thank you very much. Very good afternoon. And I am grateful that this ceremony for Chinese counterpart, Mr. Xu Zhang, and another very eminent Pakistani businessman, Mr. Nawaz Sherwani, who has a turnover business of in this Silicon Valley, 1.5 billion US dollar. The basic, you see, the ceremony today is based on how we can shift the innovative technology to the industry and how we can develop the innovation in Pakistan. With the vision of the Prime Minister and with the vision of our Minister, we started working on it, and Alhamdulillah, today it's a great success from Pakistan Engineering Council side, and Shenzhen China University, which has provided innovation to the Chinese nation as well. So this is the basic step which we are going to put forward in our economy of Pakistan, because till any country which has raised its level of exports, it is through engineering goods. And when we say that Shenzhen University, China, when we talk of that university, it is that university which has introduced Chinese innovation in whole country. So that MOU signing of today, based on the support from the Chinese and Shenzhen University, they will provide us 20 million US dollar, and out of that 3 million US dollar they will immediately bring to set up the labs and all of this components here in Pakistan Engineering Council, and then they will make liaison with the academia of the Pakistani universities where nursed UETs are available, platforms for them to move their innovations onwards. And then basically this is to develop, provide, when we cannot provide jobs to the engineers, then we can at least provide them, make them entrepreneur. And to move forward this entrepreneurship, we have to give some skills in their hands, and that skill which is need all over the world, it will be provided with this together signing of the MOU. And I think when the things will move forward, then it will move forward in industry, it will move forward in academia, and it will support to the young engineers who are jobless and who are looking for some jobs. I request them to come forward and develop your own industry and give jobs by to yourself and to the community of engineering as well. Thank you very much.
So before I introduce the Chinese side, I just want to give a small context. This discussion with the Chinese government started about 2 years back when the Chinese government approached Pakistan with the offer to host their World Economic Forum Special Economic Zone in Pakistan. We were very close to organizing this event in Pakistan, but last minute we unfortunately were not able to, and this event happened in China, and the Pakistan Engineering Council sponsored a delegation where we went and visited them. And we plan to sign the Sinopec Technology Transfer Program in February of 2020 when COVID broke. And due to that, all of this was delayed, and we wanted the Chinese delegation to physically visit us and sign this ceremony. But unfortunately, traveling is restricted, and we will plan a travel visit from the delegation very soon. But on the other side, we have a team from Shenzhen University, Qing Jing Lu and Jimmy. The floor is now over to you. Please introduce yourself and please provide your remarks about this cooperation and what is your vision about transferring the technology to Pakistan. You took us to a lot of your industries where you felt that the business that you're transferring to Vietnam, Cambodia, and a whole host of other countries that could be transferred to Pakistan. So please give us an idea of the kind of companies and technologies you are looking to transfer to Pakistan and what kind of benefit we can draw. So over to you now, Jimmy.
आपका फिक्स इंटरनेट है या वाईफाई? इसलिए फिक्स इंटरनेट